Now, I want you to be informed regarding this Jehovah. I will insert this. Because others are saying that the name of God is Jehovah. Whatever will be the name, what we are talking about is that the God of the Old Testament is not the Father. He is not the Father. Whatever will be the name. But the truth remains that the one who have seen by the patriarchs and even the prophets and even the 70 elders of Israel is not the Father. That is the testimony of our Lord Jesus Christ. No man has seen the Father. No man has heard His voice. Now, let's give you some information regarding this Jehovah. According to this book, Lost Civilizations, the Holy Land, I will read to you. This is what we can read. On one hand of sheet silver, a museum could make out 4 Hebrew characters, delicately etched in a script that had been used in the 7th century BC. These characters, Yod, He, Waw, He, were the formulation known as the Tetragrammaton, the name of God, written in consonants only, and one time deemed too scared to say aloud. Its original pronunciation having been lost, the writer of the King James Version of the Bible of the 17th century England used Jehovah as a guest. Okay, let us remember that. Let us not forget that the name Jehovah was used as a guest. Hula lang to. Guess. Modern linguists considered Yahweh to be a closer approximation. Yung mga modern linguists, ginamit ang Yahweh as modern linguists as the closer approximation. Approximate pa rin yun. In any event, its appearance on tiny scroll marked first. Never before had these holiest Hebrew names be found on archaeological object from Jerusalem. So maliwanag, ang pangalang Jehovah, hindi pangalan ng Ama. At maliwanag, ayon dito sa Lost Civilizations, the Holy Land, page 14. Yan pala ay guess, isang panguhula lamang. At idadagdag ko pa itong sinasabi sa yhwh.com. Ang sabi, in 1278, a Spanish monk, Raimundo Martini, wrote the Latin word Pugio Fidei, dagger of faith. In it, he used the name of God, spelling it Yahuwah. Later printing of this work, dated some centuries later, used the spelling Jehovah. Yan. So it's very clear that Jehovah is not the name of God because the Hebrew alphabet has no vowels. But Jehovah, it has vowels in between. And it's very clear that the name Jehovah is a guest. Isang panguhula lamang. At ang nagpasimula noong 1278. Ang ating Bible, 1st century AD, tapos na. At wala tayong makikitang pangalang Jehovah. Ngayon, ginamit lamang ang pangalang Jehovah ayon sa ating binasa noong 17th century. But it's not the name of God or the name of the Father. Okay, that is our insertion for us to give you clarification that Jehovah is an invented name. Okay, ating kayo ipagpatuloy. Let us continue. Ang pinag-uusapan natin dito, presume na Jehovah, pero hindi nga Jehovah, ha? Pero tawagin mong Father to call the name of God in the Old Testament as the Father, that is contradictory to the statement of Jesus. Because according to Jesus, no man has seen at the Father at any time. And there were so many people, not only one, not only two, not only three, but several people were able to see Jesus or to see the God of Israel.